Welcome to Appliance Codes, your go-to source for appliance repair. Today we're going to talk about the Whirlpool Duet Washer and a common error you might encounter, the F05 error code. The F05 error code on your Whirlpool Duet Washer indicates a problem with the water temperature sensor, also known as the NTC sensor. This sensor plays a crucial role in regulating the water temperature during different wash cycles. When the F05 error code appears, it usually means the washer has detected an abnormal water temperature that is outside the range it expects. This could be due to a faulty sensor, a wiring issue, or even a problem with the control board. To fix this issue, start by unplugging the washer and checking the wiring connections to the temperature sensor. Make sure there are no loose wires or signs of damage. If everything looks good, you may need to replace the sensor itself. Replacing the temperature sensor is a straightforward process. Simply remove the old sensor, install the new one, and reassemble the washer. Always ensure you are using a genuine Whirlpool replacement part to maintain your washer's performance. Once the new sensor is installed, run a test cycle to see if the error code clears. If the F05 error persists, it may indicate a more complex issue that requires professional assistance. Need more help? Visit our website at appliancecodes.com for detailed guides, troubleshooting tips, and expert advice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more appliance repair tutorials. Thanks for watching.